Welcome to Vidnami. Vidnami is an online video creation platform that helps you grow your business using the power of video. You see, we now live in a video-first world. According to Cisco, video now accounts for more than 80% of all internet traffic. People watch more than 1 billion hours of video each day on YouTube. And 81% of businesses now use video as a marketing tool. So if you're not using video in your business right now, then you're missing out on one of the most powerful ways to reach new customers and grow your business. The good news is that Vidnami is the most versatile video creation platform available today. Let me show you the different types of videos you can create with Vidnami. The first type of video you can create is what we call influencer videos. Influencer videos allow you to upload a video of yourself that you record with your smartphone or webcam. Vidnami can then transcribe your video and automatically create captions. You can then drop images or other clips over the top of your talking head to illustrate what you're talking about. Here's an example of an influencer video made with Vidnami.
Hi guys, it's Dr. Anthony here. I'm just about to do school pickup and I thought I'd make a quick video. I wanted to answer one of the most common questions we get, which is what's the best type of microphone to use for creating videos? The mic we use is called the Rode SmartLav Plus, and there's 3 reasons why we love this mic. First of all, it delivers fantastic quality audio.
Okay, the next type of video you can create with Vidnami are content videos. To create a content video, you simply take a blog post or article, drop it into Vidnami, and then the system uses artificial intelligence to automatically select clips from our library of over 790,000 professional Storyblocks.com clips. You can then record or upload a voice track and quickly create content videos to build up a following on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Here's an example of a content video made from a blog post.
With summer break just around the corner, here's our 5 top tips for traveling on a budget. Tip number 1. Book flights online using a VPN. Prices often vary depending on where you are booking from. You can use a simple VPN to make it look like you're booking from a different country and save a bundle on flights. Tip number 2. Fly on Tuesdays.
Now the next type of video that businesses need to create are video ads. Vidnami comes with a built-in library of instant ads that allow you to create professional ads in less than 2 minutes. All you have to do is choose an instant ad template, customize it with your business details, and you'll instantly have an attention-grabbing ad to use on social platforms like Facebook. Here's an example of an instant ad made with Vidnami. Now the next type of video you can create is something that every business needs. It's a sales video. All you have to do to create a professional sales video in Vidnami is drop in your sales script, tweak your scenes, and render your video. Here's an example of a sales video made with Vidnami.
Do you want something quick and easy for dinner, but don't want to spend all week in the gym working off the calories? Giuseppe's Pizza is now offering a brand new range of healthy choice menu items. Try our healthy pizzas with toppings including spinach, roasted pumpkins, corn, sweet potato, sauteed onions, freshly sliced tomato, and low-fat feta cheese. All pizzas are available on a low-carb thin crust base or a gluten-free base.
Vidnami is also the fastest way to create online course videos and training videos that explain how to use your product or service. For example, here's part of an online course video created with Vidnami relating to health and fitness.
Hi guys, and welcome to video 5 of the Fit Mom Nutrition module. In this video, I want to share with you 3 of my top eating tips. These simple tips will help you to stop stressing out about food and allow you to put your healthy eating plan on autopilot. Specifically, we'll be covering 1. Eating triggers, 2. Clean and treat days, 3. Portion control. Okay, let's get started.
So there you have it. Now you've seen just how versatile Vidnami is. You can make influencer videos to grow your online audience, create content videos from existing blog posts, produce attention-grabbing ads in a matter of minutes, create high-converting video sales letters, and produce high-quality online course videos and training videos.